Okay, good morning, good morning, good morning. Unbelievable week again last week. Great week. Interesting, right? But then we have a few people. You always get a few people that just think nothing goes up, nothing goes down, everything goes up forever, everything goes down forever, and you made an amazing amount of money Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and you put it all to work Friday and it goes down. I mean, think about that. Microsoft way higher, tried to break up, got all the way to 351, down 10. Okay? FDX, huge move. We sold them and then rolled to the next one. They didn't sell. ISRG popped 3. They didn't sell. Tesla ran nicely and then came down, set up nicely, didn't sell them. Guys, don't just think you can just come in here into this room and act like all the other rooms that you've been in. It's not the same, okay? It's not the same. Sam is different. Sam is smarter. Sam plays with profits. If you make 10 grand and you got 2 grand to work on Friday, you don't care if it goes down. It's okay. Every day is not going to be perfect. If you make 500 grand in 3 weeks, we have many people that have done this, and you put 100 grand back, that's your fault. If you want to put back 10, that's up to you. If you want to put back 200, that's up to you. But don't think everything's going to go all the time, every time. I mean, it's really amazing to me that this stuff happens. I mean, think about snow. We hadn't played snow. And then we get the 187.50s. We get the 200s for next week. The 200s for next week go from 2 to 550. We sell them at 5. And then snow drops 10. And immediately I get a message, Sam, is snow going to go up again? Who knows? Don't know. But it went 2 to 5, guys. It went 2 to 5. You're just going to sit there and just hold it and not do anything? It went to 2 to 5 in 2 hours. Okay? Take your profits and move. Now, today is very straightforward. Okay, very straightforward. If the techs go up and hold, then we continue to rip. If the techs go back down, then maybe we'll go down for a day or 2 or 3 or 4. Okay? All these guys on CNBC, just like they missed everything, continue to say, oh my God, we need a pullback. I mean, this pullback shit is just amazing to me. Amazing to me. Do you really understand? Hold on a sec. Hold on a sec. Okay. Do you really understand why? Why? Okay, you have to understand the why on Adobe. Monster move. This thing came from 400. Now, people are buying the 550s, 560s, 570s. We didn't buy it. Because does it make any sense? Does it make any sense? Don't know. Why people would think something can go up 200 points in a week. I mean, look at NVIDIA. NVIDIA went from 300. It went from 370. It didn't go up 200 points. 200 points. Crazy, right? Crazy. Okay, hold on. Give me 1 second here. Hold on. Hold on a second. Okay. So very interesting, right? Very interesting. So I don't know what's going to happen this week. What I know is if we take out 44.32, beeline to 4,500. If we don't, then back down. Tesla looks good. Okay, Tesla looks good. Good news, good news, good news. We'll talk about it here in a minute. Okay, comments. We got a few seconds, minutes for comments, questions. If anybody has any comments, questions, type it in, type it in, type it in. Okay? Two. Okay? No questions, no questions, no questions. Okay. Didn't go over SPX levels yet. Okay? Okay. So let's get going. Good morning, everybody. 6:20. Okay, I hope everybody had a great long weekend. Then we see. Okay? Stocks go up, stocks go down. How far do we go? How is SCM, CI, Avago, Tesla this week? Okay, we'll talk about that in a minute. How do you sell large volume options without dropping premium? You sell them. So here's the thing: you sell things when they get near round numbers. And here's the next thing, and this is very important. If you buy snow at $2, and snow is at $4.90 to $5, it's $4.90 to $5, and you're up $2.90. If you're trying to be greedy and get $5, you're like, I don't want to sell 100 contracts or 200 contracts. I want that extra 10 cents. What would somebody tell you? What would somebody tell you? You're getting greedy for that extra 10 cents? If you want to sell something, just sell it. Just sell it. You know what I do? I'm going to tell you what I do, guys. And this is very interesting. Say I'm buying snow, and say snow is 175 to 2. If I want that position, I don't put in an order to buy it 2. I put in an order to buy it 210. I don't care that I paid an extra 10 cents. Let's say I'm going to buy 200. I know he's going to pop it, so I'm going to put it in at 210, and I'm going to pay up. And in 1 second after I buy it, maybe it goes to 175. So I'm down 35 cents, 35 cents in less than a second. I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. Okay? So when you're going to sell it, if you want it and it's $4.90 to $5, and I'm going to teach you something here. Nobody will teach you this. If it's $4.90 to $5, and you put an order in at $4.80, you're just trying to get out, and he fills it and he takes it to $5.10. He basically knew it was going to go way higher to $5.20, $5.30, $5.40 within a second, and it will go higher instantaneously. If he fills it at $4.80 and takes it down to $4.80 to $4.90, then you're going to get filled because you're under the bid. But if he fills you all in one lot, all 200 in one lot, that means it's going way higher, way higher. Very interesting, right? But you're out because you've already sold it, unless you have another layer. Okay, so very interesting. But when I want out, I get out. Think about it. When Deere is moving, say Deere is moving and it's $3.50 to $3.80, and then it goes to $3, and I want out, I put it in at $2.80. I'll take $2.80. I want out. I don't care if it was $3.50 a second ago. That's me. If I want out, I want out. You guys that are being picky and want that extra 10 cents, and you don't get out, think about it. You don't get out of something like Tesla at $5 and then it goes to $1 because you wanted that extra 10 cents. Don't do that. I mean, that's just silly. Okay? If you want out, you want out. If you don't want out, stay in. Either way. Okay? They're very simple. Okay? Interesting. Okay, that's what we know. Okay, good morning, everybody. What's the date? 6:20. Stocks go up, stocks go down. Then we see. Okay, 44.21, 44.32 accelerator, 44.52, and then we rip. Okay, downside, 43.91. So 43.91, 43.52. Okay, Avago. Can this get going? This thing didn't move again. We have VMware news. We didn't get it. They said that we were supposed to get it Sunday. We didn't get it. Okay? So interesting. Okay? Needs I'm sorry, 888. Needs 888. So wait and wait and wait and wait and wait. NVIDIA, watch it today. Huge buys at the close yesterday or Friday, and so now you want to see, does 422 hold or does 432 break? Either side. Then we see. Lam Research, 621, 632. Amazon, 126, 129. Carvana, 26.29. UPST, if this can get over 39 and hold for 10 or 15 minutes, then it can really, really run. Okay? Snowman. I like Snowman here. If it were to pop here, if we can go buy those 200s again at 2, we're in. But we bought them at 2, sold them at 5. They're sitting at 3. I don't need to go chase it right now. Just wait. Adobe. This traded at 518. So 522 now becomes a beast. If it gets through 522, it runs. If not, maybe it goes down every day. Maybe it goes down 5 points every day for the next 2 weeks. Don't know. Don't force it. Wait. 522. MDB, 389. MDB has a shareholder meeting this week. Do they say something great, guide up, blah, blah, blah? If it takes out 400, 422. Okay? If it takes out 400, 422. Netflix. Is Netflix earnings this week or next week? Don't know. If somebody knows, could have swore, I think it's next week. Hold on, let me look. Netflix is July 19th. It's still 2 weeks out, 3 weeks out. Need to wait. How about it? We had 3 layers of Netflix and they all 4X'd. Okay? Very interesting, right? But we sold them all. We're out of all of them. So now we're waiting. Okay? 452. Here's the thing with Netflix that I have. Everybody's saying that it's going to be so great. And once again, here's my thing. The company hasn't said a word. If they're going to beat way, way, way higher, why would they not say a word? Just interesting. Keep that in the back of your mind. Win. Up a little bit. We haven't seen Win up $1.50 at open. This one looks a little better. Does it finally get to 108, 113? Don't know. Okay, Caterpillar. Do they take Caterpillar and Deere? Remember, Caterpillar and Deere, we bought those because we thought there was maybe a mini rotation. Now we're just sitting there. We're not in either one. So just sitting there waiting. Cat, 246, 251. Deere, 409, 422. SMC, I've been going down 3, 4, 5 days in a row nonstop. It needs a 10-point pop. What does that mean? That means if it pops 10 points, then you're ready to buy it. But if it pops 4, you're not ready to buy it. So just wait. NOW, very nice move. 572, 576. Shopalicious, up a little bit, can't seem to get through 67. Microsoft, if it starts running it up 3 or 4, then it will look better. 344. FDX, earnings, coming, I believe they're tomorrow. Does this go way up? Let's see. We already rolled up. We made our money. We rolled up. Free trade. Tesla, 266, 272. Tesla got a deal to sell some batteries. He's lowering some prices, but he told you disinflation. So if he's buying tires, I'm just making up some, at $200 a tire, and now he can buy them for $180 a tire, he doesn't need to keep that whole $200, $20, sorry, but $80, $20 times 4 tires. He doesn't need to keep it all. He can give 25% back to the customer, okay? And let's see how it plays out. But if it takes out this 263 and holds and runs 266, then it can fly, Okay? That's what we know. Okay, comments, questions. How many before do you take the earnings play? There's no rule here. How many weeks before earnings do you take the earnings play? So we took FedEx way back on 530. Why? Because it was cheap. It had gone down. It was cheap. We took ISRG 4 weeks before because it was cheap. You trade things when you believe that you can get good value. It has nothing to do with, it's 2 weeks before earnings, I'm going to go play this. All that stuff doesn't work. Charts don't work. I keep telling you guys, charts don't work. Snow, we bought Snow because you could see that when he took the stock down 2 points, he did not take the option down on the 200s. That's why we bought it. and immediately it popped. And then we got out. No reason to get back in till it starts popping again. If it pops in the first 2 minutes, boom, we're going to be back in. But it's not popping again. So chill and wait, chill and wait, chill and wait. Avago dividend tomorrow. That's interesting. Maybe they buy it into dividend. On only last week, SMCI, Avago, 9:30. Okay, buy less. Don't worry about it. I keep telling you, buy less, expect zero. The people that don't listen are the people that'll get smoked. Here's the thing on SMCI. So we bought these, and they're up $1.50. You had a day and a half to sell them for $1.50 positive. I'm telling you. Buy less, expect zero. What does that mean? If you're going to put in $500 and you say you want a 20% max loss, okay, that's 20% of 500, right? $100 loss, okay? So just buy $100, okay? Worth. Don't buy anymore. Guys, you can become great, but you will fail if you do this. If you buy too many, you will fail. And only Sam tells you this. You deserve to fail. If you have 10 grand and you put 10 grand into one position, maybe you hit it, maybe you don't. That's trading. Everybody have a great trend day. See you in chat.